guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. Well, for those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and a lot more things. And today I am out of my house legit after 6 months. This is the first time we've all like taken a break and I am here kind of third wheeling with the Tippa family. That's Priyanka right there. Are you hiding your face?
Yes.
And that's Shashank Tippa taking some BTS and I don't know, random shit about me. He'll just post that on Instagram. I know you're gonna do that. So me and Priyanka, we just got ready because we wanted to start the vlog, but Shashank here. Bed na?
Badass bitch.
Yeah.
कब ना आएगा?
After lunch.
ठीक है. तब तक क्या करेगा?
Chill.
What is chill?
Chill is chill.
Yesterday.
Chill.
Yeah, we've come here to chill only.
We've been chilling legit since yesterday. We came here kal afternoon tak we came here and then it's just chill.
So it's about chilling only till tomorrow until the time we leave from here. Not
And then-
getting all dressed up just to click pictures.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So basically we don't have any plan of action. Yeah, we don't know what we're gonna do. Apparently the place that we are staying at, what is the place?
We're staying at the Aqua Villa at Seven Suns Villa. So this property is like a huge property with around 5 to 6 villas inside a compound.
But why are we here?
To celebrate my dad's birthday.
Yeah. Apparently I was invited, so even I am here. And Priyanka is still at clicking pictures. But this property is massive and it's quite beautiful. We will give you a room tour. Actually, Priyanka will give you a room tour soon. Property tour soon. You want to do that?
I didn't sign up for that.
5 minutes later.
Are you all ready for the view?
I am ready.
Okay.
Dun-dun-dun! Drum rolls. This is facing right, like the pool is facing right from the living room, and this is like the greens covered pura अच्छे से. There's like a dining table right here for us to sit and have our meals. This is the first bedroom, which is of Mom Tippa and Dad Tippa. उनका bedroom बहुत अच्छा है.
See this?
Yeah. They woke up to a view like this. Shashank, who's always like hungry.
Someone has to do this, right?
Yeah.
While you all are chilling.
We are not chilling, you were chilling.
I think you should show them how this looks. There are 2 rooms.
Oh, right. We have 2 more rooms right there. 1, 2. So this was the first room, second and third. And we are staying at the massive bedroom. Let's go. Which is in a complete mess.
Yes.
We did not even
Can we do
bother
this
to.
room first?
Yeah, we'll show this. This is Didi Tippa's room. जो भी काफ़ी neat है and feel bad for barging in. We'll run. And that's our room in a complete mess.
And from our room you can also see this.
Yeah, entire villa from here. We have a tiny terrace attached to it where we were apparently chilling, and we have a bathtub right here which was not so useful today morning.
Yes.
But anyway, that was the property. Shashank Tippa will click our pictures.
Yeah.
See that uncle auntie chilling there. It's 2 o'clock. What's happening? GoPro.
क्या
कैमरा है.
वीडियोस डालने के लिए हाँ ये यूज करते हैं GoPro ये यूज करते हैं
क्या डालने के लिए?
कैमरा ही है ना
हाँ can you show his mood right
Yeah.
now ये
It's his birthday, he deserves it.
you are not birthday I deserve
Day drinking, you deserve it. Yeah.
not on weekdays
Yeah, just.
on Sunday I can but I don't like only on every day after 8 o'clock
After evening. But today, it's a special day. So afternoon.
yeah
Cheers.
cheers even you will have to do it
Yeah, fine.
निकलेगा ही नहीं मुझे तो लग रहा है पुलिस खाच में अटक गया.
Khaj.
एक तो ये पकड़ने के
पूरी जोर
कैसे
से, हाँ।
ये भी चाहिए मेरे से वही तो।
पीछे माय टर्न।
ऊपर कर थोड़ा,
हाँ पर इसको एम कैसे करते हैं?
ऊपर डाल, तेरा नीचे ही मेरे से नीचे ही करने वाला है। ठीक है?
My turn. Hey, my turn.
यार
हाँ, that's fine.
छी वो पागल पूरा चिपक गया।
Bro,
तो कितना नीचे है बॉल?
Shashank,
Come on यार।
Shashank, please look at this.
Yeah.
This is called
Something only.
target.
Nothing more than that.
Cheers.
पी अभी
आंटी रखना नहीं रहता full.
चीयर्स करें बट पीने का
This is not कड़वा, this is मीठा juice like.
वो का मतलब उसने दूसरा टेस्ट किया रहेगा तो उसको फुल पी लिया क्या होंगे?
Almost.
फॉरम ने बोला ना कि फुल पीना पड़ता है चीयर्स के वाले, इसके लिए से फुल पिया। ऐसे फुल नहीं पीना पड़ता है।
11% है इधर लिखा है।
बस
ठीक है भाई, मैं भी तो माँ हूँ, वो भी तो माँ है
उससे कम तो बियर में रहता
है ना।
मैंने मम्मी ने बीजर भी पिया।
है। एक बंदा तीर मारेगा इन अ रो और उसका पॉइंट्स ऐड करता है।
शशांक का चालू हो गया देखना competition.
हाँ अभी प्रियंका का स्टार्ट है अभी से 1. That's like a 0.
That's 6.
कैसे चल ठीक है cool 6.
9, 10. 9 plus 6, 15.
प्रेशर इज बिल्डिंग अप।
More you can hit a 0 now. हो गया 0.
That's 8.
एक सेकंड ये लाइंस का क्या इधर
हेलो
होता है?
फॉरम, यू हैव टू गो बैक।
तू भी इधर
Follow the rules.
ये आगे थी.
अच्छा आ गया मैडम।
अबे
That's a 0.
No problem.
चल मैं तो कंपटीशन से निकल गई हूँ.
नो
It's
सो
about
शी
pride.
गेट 24th आएगी।
It's about pride for how bad you go.
Oh,
Okay.
that's 7.
संडे मूड।
वो पसंद आ गया।
अबे
0
ओके बाहर आ. वो ग्लू का प्रॉब्लम था. I get one more chance.
कर ले।
One more chance.
I counted for this when this competition started. ये एक बार तो फॉलो रोएगी। और देख इसका फुल आगे भी चला गया एक पैर।
3.
That's 8.
8. 7 and 8 is 15. I'm still in the competition.
या
That's a 6.
6
Oh.
9 आई एम स्कैर्ड।
She needs the same score.
18 to be.
She needs either 9 or 10.
9 to win, yeah.
Oh, 9.
9
Close. That's 8, but.
तो 23।
एक मिनट रुक.
Yeah, एक मिनट रुक।
Guys, that's half. You
Half
can
से-
decide.
It's not
You
half.
can decide it's half.
It's not half. It's not
ठीक
half.
है.
हाफ से
नहीं,
ज्यादा
नहीं, पूरा आना
8 में
चाहिए
है।
मतलब
ये देख
मेरे
हाफ से
हिसाब
ज्यादा
तो।
8 में।
चल ठीक है।
It's half.
टाई ब्रेकर करेंगे।
Oh,
Yeah.
tie? Okay, half.
मेरा टाई ब्रेकर
is more fun.
Tie will happen.
Hello,
Shashank
Shashank
does
is
not
not
score
even
above,
like started.
23.
हाँ तो मैं 23 नहीं हो रहा है मेरा। तो क्या बोल रहे हो ऐसे एक लेवल ये लाना।
Not telling you the rules right now. It's a game.
7.
7.
शंख तो रोएगा।
स्टार्ट अपने से ज्यादा है 7 पे किया है सुशांत ने।
Yeah, girls.
ऊपर से जाएगा. Oh,
7 14
Oh God.
Now
अभी तो
it's
नहीं।
right.
10
He
वाला
needs
बनेगा।
9
10
वाला
and 10
बनेगा।
वो जीतेगा अपने
10
से।
ही मारा।
God
Nine
please
तो
make
वापस
me
नहीं हो रहा
win.
है, 70 जा रहा है इसकी वहाँ से।
थोड़ा नीचे ले फिर. तेरा हाइट की वजह से थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहा रहेगा.
Forum you can't give any kind of tips.
नीचे ले Said I beat you, bitch.
That's
I think-
fine.
14 plus
We're
6,
having a
20.
tiebreaker.
Yeah. There's like a tiebreaker 23. She scored 23 and she scored 23.
23
That's
We'll give it 8.
8.
That's a high target.
Yeah.
Deciding match.
Winners need to Twerk.
Losers need to work.
No, winners. Winners. अपन सब loser में आते हैं.
Losers have to
So you have to do something.
Yeah, then
Do something.
loser to forum है.
अबे
Losers have to
नहीं.
work. That's my wish, guys. Start talking to
नहीं.
queen है. That's my
नहीं हुआ.
Winners will decide.
अरे इसको क्लोजअप से जूम आउट कर दी और दैट वुड हैव बीन अ ट्रांजिशन फॉर दिस सीन.
Oh wow. DOP right here.
थैंक्स मैन. व्हाटएवर.
Epic, eh?
Cheese is like, yeah. Thoughts about today's day? Okay.
Fine, whatever. So we are in the bathroom right now and we are just gonna get our makeup off. Apparently हम लोग ने आज makeup इसलिए किया because we thought we were gonna click some good pictures but
Oh
we
my God.
legit forgot about it. We plan to apparently click pictures tomorrow, like wake up in the morning and click pictures because we have to like check out tomorrow. But Shashank क्या है? But we have to leave early कल सुबह. कुछ तो curfew है लोनावला में and everything's gonna be shut from like 8 to 5:30 in the evening and we have like our checkout at 12 p.m. So we thought it's better कि हम लोग सुबह जल्दी ही निकल जाते before 8 and before like everything starts here like वो जनता कर्फ्यू lights. So yeah, we are leaving early in the morning and we won't be able to click pictures. That's like a sad part. And uske liye we have to come again, right?
Right. We will plan this
Exactly.
better.
So we are just removing our makeup off and then we're gonna go sit in the balcony and chill. Our way of chilling.
Yeah. If you know it, you know it.
Yeah.